Nice. Base 30K. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh wow. How you doing? I like your seat. Yeah, I bet you gained having this out instead of a regular seat, or is it because you were built around it?
Because I can hear more of the fucking mids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good idea. It doesn't block it.
Yeah, it was blocking it.
Wow, I like this. This is cool.
And I just built this shit because it just takes up more room.
Yeah. Nice. Wow. Yeah, go ahead.
I got the weld. This welded to the floor.
Really?
It's welded to the floor. Yeah.
Wow. You built this?
Yep.
Nice work.
I mean,
okay.
My idea was to know this guy named Dennis.
Yeah.
Dennis Hawkins. He's got the mastermind, but yeah, I literally built it. Yeah.
Wow. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Jose.
Jose. Okay.
4 Avatar SVL 18s.
Huh?
On 2 Terrence 30K.
2
230K is on 160 amp hours lithium.
Yes, sir.
Protos. JS 370 and what do you call it? Brand X.
Brand X, yeah.
300 XL.
And it's a 6th order.
6th order, yeah.
What are the tunings on this? Do you know?
I did it once.
You did it? You don't know anymore?
I don't know anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you metering and peaking at least? Do you know that?
I peak at 32 and I meter out. Last time I metered at 159.1 at 28 hertz.
Okay, that's really good.
Yeah.
Wow. You're low frequency.
Low, real
so you're
low.
tuned real low.
I hit you up on fucking on Instagram once. I'm a tattoo guy.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, Charles.
Oh yeah, yes sir. I appreciate it, man.
Come on, brother.
You don't really move. This doesn't move.
No.
It's solid.
That's welded.
Yeah. I appreciate it. Thanks for the demo,
Come
man.
on, brother.
I noticed that because most demos I get, something moves here, but yours is so solid, so you did good on that. So, anyway, yeah, man. You have a good night.
Okay, yeah, you too.
Can I ask you a question?
1 second. Let me get the video on the back real quick. Nice. Base 30K. And these are 1 ohm amps. What are they wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. Do you know your rise?
It's like, I get up almost 2.
So you're rising around 2x rise. Okay. All right. Appreciate it, man. I always ask random questions, but it's learning, so.
I rerouted the AC.
Yeah. That'll give you some cool air on it.
Yeah, this motherfucker's been cold as fuck.
Yeah.
Ice
All right.
cold.
They never get really hot.
Never.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yep. Awesome. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it.
Fuck yeah.
All right. Hair tricks, I'm sure.
Yeah.
You want a hair trick?
You're gonna have to hold the GoPro though.
Okay. Yo, don't blow nothing. Wow, dude. It's...
I hit you up on fucking an Instagram once. I'm a tattoo guy.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, Charles.
Oh yeah, yes sir. I appreciate it, man.
On, brother.
You don't really move. This doesn't move.
No.
It's solid.
Well,
That's yeah. I appreciate it. Thanks for the demo, man.
on, brother.
I noticed that because most demos I get, something moves here, but yours is so solid, so you did good on that. So anyway, yeah, man. You have a good night.
Okay, yeah, you too.
wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. Do you know your rise?
It's like, I get up to almost 2.
So you're rising around 2x rise. Okay. All right. Appreciate it, man. I always ask random questions, but it's learning, so.
I rerouted the AC.
Yeah. And then I give you some cool air on it.
Oh, this motherfucker's cold as fuck.
Yeah.
Ice
All right.
cold.
They never get really hot.
Never.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.